In this daily drop, it's a quick update on some of the decisions I have made regarding Gen AI and my journey over the next, well, possibly very long time. So let's go. Okay, everyone, it's complete, absolute chaos here going into commencement weekend and everything else that I have going on. Hard drives ordered and ready to go for my trip. Light ready for my trip. iPad needs to be charged. Camera for stills ready. It's nutty, but we're getting there. And as part of this process, I'm also making sure that I subscribe to at least one, possibly two, generative AI, really video-centric solutions before I go. I don't think it's going to be Kling 2.1, though it looks really interesting. I'm going to hedge my bets probably on RUNWAY and VO3, though I am curious to find out where we're going with SORA. That is the big question mark for me, because as everybody who is following along, not with this channel, but with generative AI knows, SORA could come out with a big update anytime soon, and I just don't want to be in a situation where I feel like I am stuck with the subscriptions that I have. So no matter what I do, I'm not going to do a yearly unless it's really inexpensive. If it's something that's, you know, $100, $150 for the year, I might drop that and go for it. But for things like VO3, I just want to make sure if I do the first 3 months at $125, that if I don't want to continue with that, I don't have to go into the $250 plan. And yeah, so that's what I'm figuring out. I'm figuring out all the credits and how many videos you can create. A lot of them are starting at 720p. That doesn't really do anything for me. 1080 might be fine. I also do have the entire Topaz suite of video AI, photo AI, and gigapixel AI. So that might be okay, but I generally am trying to do everything in UHD 4K now, so 3840 by 2160. We'll see what happens. Love to hear your thoughts. Getting ready for a lot more stuff to get done in the next few days. Don't forget to, and I'll see you on the next episode of The Daily Drop.